In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Udemy without using an OTP. Whether you're tired of entering those pesky one-time passwords or you simply prefer a smoother login process, we've got a couple of methods that you can try. So, let's dive in and explore both options. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and search for Udemy. That should be easy enough. Once you're on the Udemy homepage, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You should see a button that says Log In. Go ahead and click on that, and it'll direct you to the login page. Now, at this stage, you'll have a couple of options. You can either log in using your email and password or through an SSO, which stands for Single Sign-On. This option is handy if you prefer logging in using a service like Google. Let's take a closer look. If you choose to log in using an SSO, simply click on your preferred service. A new window or pop-up should appear, prompting you to enter your login details that are linked to that account. Follow the prompts, and once you're done, you'll automatically be logged into Udemy. SSOs are incredibly convenient because they allow you to use your existing accounts, reducing the number of passwords you need to remember. Now, if you prefer to use your email address instead, click on the Continue with Email button. Here's where it gets straightforward. If, during your Udemy sign-up process, you set a password, the system will prompt you to enter it. Just type in your password, and you should be good to go. No OTP required. In case you haven't set a password when you signed up, worried not. Once you're logged into your account through the OTP or SSO, head over to your account settings. Within your settings, you should see an option to update or change your password. Simply type in your desired password and click on Change Password to save it. Remember this password for the future. This way, the next time you log in, you'll be prompted to use your password instead of going through the one-time password process. That's it. You now have two seamless ways to log into Udemy without an OTP, through your password or by using single sign-on. This makes your learning experience on the platform as smooth as possible. Hopefully, one of these methods suits your needs and simplifies your access to all the great content Udemy has to offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Happy learning!